to Fit Mamamia Cooking. Today's recipe is Garam Masala chicken. I'm using 1.5 kg of chicken and I cut into 16 pieces. So before I'm going to cook the ingredients, I'm going to season the chicken with the yogurt, 200 ml of yogurt. Okay, season it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so cover up with the yogurt. Just leave it for 15 minutes. This is all my ingredients. 1 cinnamon stick, 5 pieces of cloves, 5 pieces of candenom, 2 pieces of star, 10 pieces of chopped garlic, 1 inch of pounded ginger, 3 pieces of big onion cut into small pieces, 2 pieces of tomatoes cut into cubes, 80 grams of masala powder, and this is a red fresh chilies. I'm using 3 pieces. This is the curry leaves, and this is the coriander leaves and the bay leaves. Later on, I'm going to add in the lime juice. Okay, so let's start cooking. First, I'm going to make hot the frying pan. Okay, I'm using 150 ml of oil. First, I'm going to add in all the spicy ingredients. Then I add in the garlic. Add in the onions. And also the ginger. Okay, cook until it's slightly brown, the red onion. This is slightly. To add in the curry leaves. 2 stalks of curry leaves. I'm going to take out the leaves. Okay. And fry it. I want the aroma of the curry leaves. Add in the masala powder, garam masala. Adjust the fire for medium fire. You want the masala powder to be burned. Okay. Just stir it until the aroma will come out. You can see, guys. So now I'm going to add in the tomato. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the chicken that I marinated just now for 15 minutes. I just take out the chicken. Okay, don't put the yogurt. And later on, we're going to use the yogurt. Don't throw it away. Okay. So the remaining yogurt, don't throw it away. Later I'm going to use it. Okay. Look nice. Let's stir it even. Okay, so I'm going to add in water, about 2 cups of water. Okay, 2 cups. Now I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Okay. 1 teaspoon of raw sugar. I'm going to add in the bay leaves, 2 pieces of bay leaves. Cook for another 15 minutes, so I'm going to cover up. See? Okay, now I'm going to try the gravy. Make sure it's enough salt, enough taste. It's yummy. So now I'm going to add in the yogurt that remaining from the chicken just now. I'm going to add in a little bit more salt. Okay. So now I'm going to add in the red fresh chili. I cut into 4 pieces. I will add in the lime juice, about 1.5 tablespoons. Try one more time. Make sure the taste is good. So nice. I will cover up for another 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to put the coriander leaves. I just chop into big pieces. I sprinkle it. This done my Garam Masala chicken. I'm going to eat with the toast bread. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, let's try my Garam Masala chicken. Let's try the chicken. Nice, very delicious. The chicken is very tender and fresh. Gravy is so nice. It's a bit thick. And I'm going to eat with the French toast. I'm going to eat more and use my hand later. Very nice. sweet and tender the chicken. So if you like my cooking, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon again. Bye.